What is going on, everyone? My name is Chris Vincelli. Welcome to Money Talk. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing how to become a millionaire. And the truth of the matter is, pretty much anyone can become a millionaire. It's not that hard. It doesn't need to be some sort of pipe dream. It's actually a pretty realistic thing to achieve. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the top 5 ways you can become a millionaire. I'm talking about realistic, practical ways you can become a millionaire. I'm not talking about, winning the lottery or winning the jackpot at the casino. I'm also not talking about becoming a professional sports athlete and signing a $15 million contract for some pro sports team. I'm talking about ways the average person can become a millionaire. Things that pretty much any one of us can do to get us to the $1 Million Club. And I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna dive into it right now. All right, so the first way to become a millionaire is to save and invest whatever you save. I cannot overemphasize the importance of investing and the importance of compound interest. At the end of the day, that's what's gonna get you to the $1 Million Club. But you really need to be saving and putting money away so you can be investing. You really should be saving pretty much all the money you have left over after you've paid your bills. After you pay for your groceries, your rent or your mortgage, your cable bill, electricity bill, internet bill, anything you need to survive should be paid for. And then whatever money you have left over, you should put away in an investment account. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're 33 years old and you earn about $50,000 per year. You work for an employer with a 401k plan that matches up to 5% of your income, and you save $4,000 per year and you put that into a Roth IRA. So that's about $6,500 that you're saving to put into your 401k and Roth IRA. And with an income of $50,000 per year, your employer is also putting $2,500 into your 401k as well. We'll assume that your investments see a rate of return of 7% per year, which is pretty typical. And if you keep doing that, you can see your investments grow to be worth over $1 million by the time you retire. Say you started with that saving and investing plan when you're 35. By the time you retire at 67, those investments will be worth over $1 million. And heck, you can start earlier, like at 30 or 25. If you start at 25 with the same rate of return and the same contributions year after year, your investments would be worth over $2 million by the time you retire at 67. So the power of investing and compound interest cannot be overstated, but you need to be saving so that you have money to invest. So make sure you create some sort of savings plan. If you have a checking and a savings account, it might be a good idea to automatically transfer a portion of your income from your checking account over into your savings account. It's a good way of saving without having to think about it. It just does it for you automatically. The second thing that you can be doing is to cut expenses and yes, invest the rest. Some people can't seem to save because they don't have enough money left over at the end of the day to save. Forget about your daily coffee at Starbucks, which is gonna cost you $3 or $4. Buy yourself one of these things instead. It's gonna save you a lot of money. And you might even wanna consider doing things like eating out less and cutting back on some of your monthly expenses like your cable bill and your phone bill. If you can downgrade your phone plan, you might wanna consider doing that. And if you wanna cut your cable bill altogether, go ahead and do that as well. I did it. Didn't really change my life. So yes, find ways to cut expenses and invest whatever you have left over so you can start your journey to becoming a millionaire. The third thing that you can do is to earn more money and yes, invest all that money as well. You can earn more money by getting a raise at work, getting a promotion. Yes, those are great ways to earn more money to increase your income. But another thing you might want to consider is to develop different income streams. Find other ways to make money. For example, you could set up a side hustle. You can do things like invest in rental property and earn rental income. Or you could even do what I'm doing right now and make YouTube videos. The point is, your job doesn't need to be the only source of income for you, and setting up a side hustle can help you earn more money. All right, I got a few more points I want to go over, but before I do so, I want to let you know that whether you've seen my content before or if this is the first time viewing one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I come out with other great and similar content. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that like button. YouTube loves it when people like my videos. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps my channel grow. So go ahead and smash that like button. Oh, and by the way, I'm also on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there as well. All right, the fourth way to become a millionaire is to invent and patent something. And you don't have to be some genius. You don't have to be the reincarnation of Thomas Edison or Leonardo da Vinci. James Dyson, for example, invented a better vacuum cleaner, and that propelled him to the millionaire status. And Gianfranco Zaccai invented This thing. It's not quite a broom. It's not a mop either. It's a Swiffer. And it does the job, and it helped him become a millionaire too. So if you're an engineer or if you're the creative type, you can invent something pretty simple that can help people, and that's something that you can patent, have exclusive rights to, or license, and that will almost definitely help you become a millionaire. All right, and the last thing that you can do to become a millionaire is to innovate. You don't even need to invent something. You could just improve upon something that already exists. I'll give you an example. The founder of IKEA figured out a way to develop economical yet stylish furniture for the masses. You can buy the furniture for cheap, you can install it yourself, and it has a pretty modern and European style, essentially making it furniture that you'd be proud to have in your home and to show off to everyone. So he innovated, he delivered a product that everyone needs, everyone wants, but he delivered it in a different way, in a more appealing way, and that obviously made him a multi-millionaire. It doesn't need to be complicated. You just improve on something that already exists, and that's good enough. Let me know what you think. Are you on your way to becoming a millionaire, or are you already a millionaire? Let me know how you're doing it or how you did it. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. And for those who are looking to become millionaires, who want to learn how to get there, what do you think of the points I brought up in this video? Are they helpful? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And like I mentioned earlier, whether you've seen my content before or if this is the first time viewing one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I come out with other great and similar content. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that like button. YouTube loves it when people like my videos. It helps with the algorithm. It helps promote and grow my channel. So go ahead and smash that like button. And by the way, I'm also on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there as well. Thanks everyone. Talk soon.